In today's video, I'll guide you on how you'd be able to turn your screen sideways on Roblox Mobile. So let's get started. So here we are in Roblox mobile app, and from here you just simply want to play a game that supports landscape mode to turn your screen sideways. Because there are some few games right here that is fine with a portrait mode, so in that case it will not automatically turn sideways. So I'm gonna go with this game for example. So this supports landscape mode or turning our phone sideways. So as you can see, when I launch the game, my screen is automatically on landscape mode or sideways. But if in your case it doesn't automatically do that, you just need to go into your control panel here in your notifications. So I think you just need to swipe down even if you're in Android, but if you're in your iOS, then it should look like this. And from here, just simply toggle on the portrait orientation lock right here. You want to go and turn that off right here. So once you have made sure of that, then it should now automatically reset your framing, and it should now be in landscape when you put your position for your phone in sideways. But if it doesn't work, then you can try exiting from your game, just like this one right here. I'm gonna exit, and then just simply launch it again to reset your orientation. So that's it on how you'd be able to turn your screen sideways on Roblox Mobile. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.